na be ma Lilwin de sini bi a ye friend a country called Ghana. Eba ya sini emunsam de na ya ye ahometesem na ahyase no sini ba be koso no na me say ye hia obi asebe wo ka brofo because alatafo ene no mo ba be nti na ohia obi anano awo kakra wo hwehwe mu anokofa eye mata Ankomah Ankomah chere ni prince won ye sini no because wono oni seven grasefo entwa sini asem ye Lilwin pama Lilwin so be keka nsem a ya de kire ye Ankomah empo odi eye jakiapia mo nyina de toto no ho se wono hifa no wadu ne ka ahofe pa wosini twam pa de a ankono Ankomah anko wonyo bank o ka ho na empo memma na ehwe nsem a Lilwin kache sister no na no odin na enti Ankomah so wono obona brabo se kronkra brabo nsem ne ye ne ya no o se onfa emra no enhye ni nsem wode koda eye a lawyer for ama lawyer for esomu mo disika so eye 500 billion to so a Lilwin eba betue sika no ewo court na Lilwin so kiremu say wa fra Ankomah mansem no komo yia befia jeso ma set asem san ye no kre mata ne eye Akwasi Aboagye hia empunimpu edi nkomo de mu nkiremu bebi asem no akodu ebaye
wanye bone ni nyina ne se enra emse mo court me boa
that's right
story ne di kan buy no kire se woni kwadwom cancer Lilwin wakosama no court yi waba ema mwanya ntiase se okay asem no munyimfa nkofie na monkoka na fie asem efi anope da sorry ya Ghana Web say woman wanya exclusive interview omuni wedi nkomo wo say bibi sabia enko so meanwhile kind news report nso say yes o lawyer and o kan o call to them say settlement bibi sa but you saying panete
nti me pa show no crane say me lawyer no family me number ama sister na offer me no
me producer Salamat
o producer no I think so. We are new producer, no because he wouldn't want to go on air. Actually, I didn't want to comment on this because assembly was caught.
Yeah.
But my one will be sending me link and I'm going to say Ghana Web is posty. Say your friend is saying yeah assembly free court. Into me when I want to say guy now approaching me and I'm saying want to mean can be via any no cry. What you say? Nipa way on approaching me. Into I wonder where the story is coming from. Inti me catch on some for mucho adia enya no credit mama ye nkana ye pen DCP public no because say any of you na should be reading into details or read the caption for people say yampa asem the crowd when na ko kasa krama yi asem no but entisa it time asem see here from day one me crowd bra ko say me wan pesa asem me follow my story but mu bia ko asem me for me side of the story omo be di matem na be di matem mo studio ho be di abegi matem on social media ni bibia eko what you are saying but when say a friend saying sometimes you just have to let things go not at the right time you be here maybe when you look right see the truth of the matter is on approach me some baby son of a catcher on approach me see one day obi be can story sir but gentia assembly look it and say wama opinion bi anase mpanyinfo wakohu mpanyinfo bi try and say only me lawyer if court they are trying but if you are trying doesn't mean that it is what it is what you are saying he has to do the right thing and he knows what he has done what you are saying he knows I think he may follow interviews one kasa for obi no cry after the interview with the director obi sa director no say sana Ankomah kan ya na meboa director no say there meboa na no was that video no that now your interview no meboa na the director said that's not what he said that's what the conversation I had with him into one say I think the guy has gone too far he's done a lot of harm of damage to my image I have not wronged this guy in any way. As a matter of fact, this guy has never met me before. He's not even called me for any project. The fact that he's even lying to people, that he's come to court, or back court 2 times, was sorting me out. Any idiot can go to court and all that. And yet he said a lot of ill things about me. And yes, we are Christian, you just have to forgive. It's very difficult. But the right thing has to be done. And what is the right thing? He knows what is the right thing. And the fact that no, back with him. Assembly dear, court.
Okay.
In free court here.
Okay. Okay.
Free court here.
Okay.
Then you be a standing to the bus system. Then you be a ubi MBA nano enkasa rough up. Say, oh yes, what is expected of him as a citizen of this land. And I say, oh yes, you was say onya, you nipa. The fancy a Christian. Even yeah, your pastor, the Bible say, if you are your bomb pile, then you should, before you ask God for forgiveness, you should do what? Forgive those who have done what? Trespass against you. Yes. But he has to do what is right.
Okay.
Na bibia oni se okan biara. Bibia oni se waye biara, oni se me oni men kasada. Otimi transfer to me so no kasa gi intro na we can be. E man ko for transfer to me so bra kweti. You were there, I watched you. Obi kwan bi matem mo ye audio so ye soundtrack de to ase. Wa na. O man ko for be di matem e granting interviews and you serious. E man ko for free Nigeria e frame. Say makokama, okama okachia safu na say. Me to movie crying. Yes, that guy went too far. Meanwhile, he's never met me before. As a matter of fact, I go into details, sir. I have been good to him before when he has never met me before. So rapidly, I wouldn't want to talk too much. The matter is in court. If he should do what is expected of him, me nipa.
Okay, so I didn't mean to be person cancer. I mean, I'm sure said. It will never be my style. Station senior yantetia say bia me makwan will be made you attempt keke no onko. Yes, you did beam fry and friend you would beam. Say ebia a family su kakra say nke bia nke say fro na asem ne bae no nti honum say in the fache me but attempt die say eno die it will not be enyesa na eti e wan say
enye omu now say asem ni tie pa sister TV okasa fine me papa Socrates okasa fine sister Winnie okasa fine oh ebinum ba have okasa fine ebinum so kasa mi bo mu din a brakweti kasa na ko ye kra ni kwa ya me sister we Instagram see oh brakweti de bia me hu na me friend is sweetheart nti ni sweetheart we ni kwa friend me e bisa me say oh asemi abo isi working e yampa na say enyampa what you see but one say there's always two sides to a story. Ghana for the brain na omunim asemi into details no omuji and omunim no but it's all good. But what I can say is rapidly asemi dey e work.
Okay.
Say boy ni yen ye wo say onya.
Okay.
That's simple.
Okay.
Bibi court is rapidly o fe me ame answer call no. Wa bon sa se meka cho so we yampa. Iti aniama we na akoso. Nti asem na eden e free court. Anyone no.
Okay. Bibi kakra.
That is me so my ninja o me lawyer e wo so ba ne ti o assistant so beto ne me kasa me pa cho ye friend me ti me adwane kakra.
Mati, maminja.
Me da se o twa kwentwe na wi akra.